Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install Facebook on your Android device. So watch this video if you don't know how you can do so, and also subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. To download Facebook on your device, you will need to go to the Play Store and then in the search bar type in Facebook. You can download the Facebook app, or you can choose to download the Facebook Lite if you want the app to consume less storage on your device. Now tap on the install button. The download duration of the application will depend upon the speed of your internet. After the application has been downloaded, you can tap open. Now from here you will be able to either sign up or log in to your Facebook account. So that's how easily you can download and install Facebook application on your Android device. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up and we will be soon back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.